Welcome to this Xara integration series. In this video, you will learn how to embed a YouTube video onto your website so visitors can play it without leaving it. From the Designs gallery, go to Modular Websites, then Web Blocks, and select the video category. Next, add one of the YouTube widget blocks. Customize the rest of the block to your liking. Click on the widget block and then click on Edit Widget. Click on Edit in Browser. Once on the YouTube website, navigate to the video page and click the Share button. Then click on Embed and copy the embed code. Finally, paste the embed code from the YouTube website to Xara. Click the Preview button to see the final result in your browser. Your visitors can now play the video directly on your website. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our next video on how to add integrations to your website.